And hello my amazing pandas, welcome back to another shoe review. So today's pair, they're pretty cool. So I will be saying I'm wearing no hosiery with this one just because I just want to see what it looks like without. Considering I'll probably wear these more to sort of like Indian functions and stuff like that. So yeah, anyway, so these are boxed up real good. And I actually just can't wait to show you like what they all look like. So obviously this is when they're obviously basically banded up. I really can't bother to open this because I opened the other one just to make sure the shoes were all okay. So you can actually see what they look like basically free. And well, yeah. Okay, so we have a bit of a glue issue with these, I will say. That's the only thing I dislike about these is the fact that with all the diamantes you've got a lot of glue, which means things stick together a lot. I mean, it's super annoying, but there's not much that we can do here, to be honest. So while I fuss with that, I will say these shoes are stunning. I love the heel height. I'm not a big fan of like square toe, but this works for me. But I just love the whole like spiral wrap up on the leg like that. Just I'm really looking for a good pair like that. So I'm hoping these will shine through for me. But yeah, so no, I'm hoping these will be amazing and I can't wait to get them on and reviewed. So I'm just going to sort this one out and obviously you'll see me get the other one on. These are super to get on without hardly any faff. You literally slip your foot right in and then using what I call like the little snake that goes up the leg, you literally just hold this and just wrap it around your leg and it should just basically snap in place. I obviously just want to fuss with it just because I don't want them looking quite tight. I want them quite like loose and going up my leg rather than just sitting all around like the bottom. But these are nice. I'm feeling this. I'm loving the look of these. I mean, that gold is just really nice generally. But I do like that whole wrap that goes around and the fact that it's all like a little slanted wrap. Like that works really well. So I'm loving it. The only thing I would probably change is see how that bit at the side actually like... what's the word, you know how that bit that ends on the outer part of your leg, I kind of wish that it would wrap so it ends in the inner part of your leg so it's not like on show, if that makes sense. But I mean, like it's cool, it's no biggie at the end of the day, it's just a personal preference really. I do like the heel height on this. This is very nice, very comfortable. I do like the fit of these, really nice too. The look of them, oh, you know, they're stunning. Quality is really good as well. Like I stopped buying Simmi shoes a while ago because their quality dropped, but I'm glad I got them again to try just because I do really like these and I actually think these are pretty much worth it. So thank you so much for watching, everyone.